Let's stop the OneDrive syncing. I wish I could make it so like Streamlabs internet takes priority over everything, like no matter what. So then I wouldn't ever have an issue. If I get a second PC that is literally just its only purpose is to stream, that probably would fix it. Well, that would definitely fix it. But maybe I do that. If it gets annoying enough. I mean, I could just use my laptop. Huh. I don't know. Whatever. All right, so day 2 of adding ads. Hey, Kill, what's up, dude? So we actually managed to do it. I'm not dreaming. You want to be the first person to see my game. So, well, let me just say the reason I'm not dreaming is because my right shoulder's messed up and it's impinged. Basically, if I move it certain ways, it hurts a lot. And when I cross it over my body, it hurts. So, like, holding a controller kind of hurts. Which is why I'm not holding a controller, but putting it on my mouse is fine. With that said, what's your game? Do you want to see my game? Oh, well, that didn't work. Okay, that's, sometimes with this it has trouble opening, but it's just because it's like a dev build or something. I'm not entirely sure, but give me a second. It's called Zombie Dot. That's cool. Was that the game you and Joe Ryan were making, or did that get scrapped? What happened to that? Give me a second. It's having trouble opening, and I don't know why. Will this work? If this doesn't work, I can just re-add it onto my phone. All right, let's just put it back on my phone. I'm not sure what's going on there, but that's okay. So if we go here and then press play, it should work. Hey, Joseph. What's up, Jay? That was scrapped? Oh, no. Wait, why was it scrapped? It was looking really good. Imagine having 2 monitors for your phone. I know. I don't have to imagine. It's very cool. I wanted to do Logic and not make pretty things for once. Okay, so I tried making a game I wanted to make. Dude, that's fantastic. How are you at Logic? I'm curious. Or rather, what do you think about Dreams Logic? Do you like it? Okay, what the hell? Oh, hey, it's working. Okay, finally. So okay, and by the way, I have the Microsoft Duo, so my phone is my phone has 2 screens. Don't worry about that. But you'll notice the advertisement at the top, the test ad at the top. It's working. It's looking pretty fly. I'm going to be honest. So when I implemented this yesterday, it wasn't working. And then this morning, I opened the app, and the ad is just there. So I'm like, all right. Or actually, it was after the stream. It was last night. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, I have not done the big screen ads yet. I haven't even tried. That's what I plan on doing today. I want to make there be some sort of hint system. And when you're out of hints, you can watch an ad to get a hint. That's what I want. You generating bread? Not yet. The ad works though. Yes, it does. We were going to make more maps, and for the final part of the last map, I spent 5 days working on a maze, and it got scrapped. Oh no! Wait, what got scrapped? So you quit? Damn it, Kill. What the hell? Just leaving Joe in the dust. Your maze got scrapped. So, okay, so what it sounds like is you made a maze, then Joe didn't like it, so you quit. Is that what happened? Look, honestly, that's kind of understandable. Did you at least say, like, okay, if my maze can't be in the game, I quit? Did you at least say that? Oh, the zombie logic didn't work with it. I mean, yeah, he didn't make pathfinding, so they're probably getting stuck on walls. What did you expect? I mean, I have pathfinding you can use, but it's kind of not sure if it would fit your project. You could just play into it, honestly. Have the zombies run up against the walls, maybe make them chain link fence or something. I was only creating for fun. I also got a little bit burnt out. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Once it doesn't get fun, it becomes work, and once it becomes work, you really have to want it. But Kill, if you played Laser Bounce before, this is Laser Bounce. I'm just gonna play it on my phone. Unfortunately, so another bug, or a bug that I've been having is my text boxes are smushed. Only on my phone. On the preview screen, it not this. So like if I ran it locally, I mean I can show you. The text boxes are not squished. See, they're normal. But when I run it on my phone, and I have another phone, and it happens with that phone too, they are squished, and I don't know why. It's really weird. Like, I genuinely have no idea. It must be something to do with the viewport, but, I mean, it's kind of stupid. Did I stream today? I just started. It's going to be a shorter stream today. Wait, in dreams are sick? Yo, settings in dreams are sick? What? What are you talking about? You want to go back to it, though? That's good. Yeah, taking a break is not a bad thing. Like variables that persist? Yep. Very powerful. Like in-game settings. Got you. Oh, that's coming out of my phone. Nice. There's a sound coming out of my phone, which is the game sound. But yeah, Kill, have you... I don't know. Yeah, okay. Have you played Laser Bounce before? I think I met you after Laser Bounce. I actually don't know. Have I? Oh, you have. Okay, nice. So yeah, I'm making Laser Bounce for phones. This will be an in-app purchase, and then once that succeeds, the ad will disappear, and then you'll still be able to do ads for hints. And then I think for the store, I don't think a currency. I just ate. That's why I'm clearing my throat. I don't have COVID. But if I did have COVID, that would be very unfortunate. Anyway, I don't think a currency works for this game. I'm going to be honest. There's a finite amount of levels, and once you finish the levels, you can't earn more currency, so that doesn't make sense. I think it's just going to be a store with like dollar purchases, making your lasers look and sound cool. But and then you can watch ads for hints. I think, or you buy hints, I guess. Maybe like a hint bundle. Maybe you have like daily hints. No, I like the idea of like every day you join the app, you get like a couple hints or something. Did you actually have COVID? Holy shit. You got stuck in a level. I remember you were playing the game once, and I asked you how to beat it, and you showed it to me. Nice. Level 11? I don't have the levels memorized, but if you play it on stream and somehow get my attention, I can show you how to do it. So I'm remaking it, but it's not going to be like exactly the same. Now I mean, the first couple levels I've redone a little bit just to make them look nicer, in my opinion. And then this is a test level. This is testing the mechanic of, well, short circuiting. And it's kind of funny. So what's happening here is that, let's pause this. When the blue laser hits this, the door opens. When the door opens, the red laser is allowed to shine through, which deactivates this, which closes the door, and it's just like a loop. It's like short circuiting is the best way to put it. Maybe not short circuiting. Yeah, short circuiting is not the best way to put it. It's it's just stuck in a loop, I guess. But so that does work, which is nice. And then like we have level 20. But yeah, the mechanics work. I'm just trying to implement the app-related things. Okay, here we go. Okay, I will, for 5,000 imps, I will watch the clip. I think that's what you want me to do.
This is crazy. Because look, when I run into someone, it changes my ball because they turn me, see? I wonder how I could fix that, make that not a thing.
Are you dude, you made a twin stick shooter. Did you make this by yourself? This is awesome.
Huh.
You use my template? Hell yeah. All right. How? That's awesome. Did it work? It looks like it worked. Dude, like, I feel like so few people use my template. Hell yeah, it's perfect. Thank you so much. Nice job. This is impressive. Really nice job. I feel like a lot of people don't utilize all of just like the remixable templates I put out. Like I get, they're not like perfectly polished, but it gives you a place to start. And I feel like people like just try to make things from scratch without having any idea how to do it instead of just like searching before they do. But Ryan told you about it. Nice. It was so easy to use. Awesome. So this is the top-down twin stick. Is it, what was it called? Twin stick template or something? Twin stick shooter template? Yeah, you had no idea. Yeah, it was weird. It required a couple of tricks. I don't know if you like went through every single gadget to understand how it worked. You don't have to, but you probably would have noticed some weird things that you don't even have to know. You can just plop it down and yeah. Yeah, the look at rotator. Yeah, yep. I mean, I honestly don't even understand entirely why this works. But yeah, nice job with this. I mean, the one thing is it's kind of weird how your bullets sit there, but
yeah, blue or non-zombies collision, but I want to make it so you collide with the humans.
You want to make it so you collide with the humans? Oh man. Okay, so what you'd have to do is make the humans collidable but not movable, and then make your character collidable and movable. So if you do that, the humans, when you collide into them, they won't be pushed at all, but they'll stop you. I don't know if that's what you want, but that's probably the best way to do it. You could make everything movable, but the game would probably not go well. It'll probably lag.
So
offering free BJ. I have no idea what that would stand for. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it.
I want to make it you still collide with the humans because you collide with the zombies and stuff. But I want to make it so like, this is crazy.
Blueberry jam. That's honestly, That is exactly what I thought.
Because like when I run into someone, it changes my ball because they turn me. See? I wonder how I could fix that, make that not a thing.
Oh, it looks like you're colliding.
Huh.
Wait, you are colliding with the humans. Right? It looks like you're colliding. But maybe not. Kill, I really like this idea. How like it's a very interesting idea how there are a ton of humans and just a couple of zombies, and you're trying not to kill the humans while killing the zombies. This is a cool idea. This is a really cool idea. And your like swarm logic looks pretty good. It's going to be difficult to make these humans look good unless so what I'm saying is like I would highly recommend a really simple art style so that you can have this many humans without the thermal going boom. Yeah, I mean,
All right, so I think I am gonna hop off.
What the fuck? Okay. Well, there you go. Anyway, yeah, it's all dots. Are you gonna add like a graphic or something? Or is it, yeah. Paging Natalie. I want to make it so you collide with the humans, but they don't turn your weapon by rotating you, but they don't. Oh. Right, because your weapon is tied to the direction you're facing. You'd have to separate the weapon from the collision box. Does that make sense? So you basically copy and paste what you already have, cut out the shooting from one of them, cut out the moving and collision from the other, and put them together. Good luck. Good luck. Basically, teleport the gun to the collision body thing. You're going to go with like a... Yeah, that kind of style. That's cool. But all right, so we got back to laser bounce. As you guys can see, we have the banner ad. I want an interstitial ad, or actually it's a reward ad when you press a button. That button you'll get hints, right? The hint will be a light bulb. Or maybe a question mark. I don't know. Let's make the hint icon. Okay. Magnifying glass. Question mark. Question mark kind of implies tutorial slash help desk kind of thing. I think the magnifying glass is an interesting idea. Maybe we should do that. I don't know. Binoculars. Let's search game. Light bulb. This one did light bulb. I can see that as well. What do you guys think? Is Godot hard? Is it like Unity? I mean, features and difficulty. I would say it's kind of like Unity, but I would say it's easier since it's very like streamlined. It's not cluttered or bloated or anything. I'm not a beginner with Godot, but I'm not like super experienced to be able to like eloquently tell you. So I would highly recommend watching a YouTube video. There are a couple really good YouTube videos comparing Godot to Unity. Definitely watch those. What I can say is I highly recommend Godot. There's a lot of awesome things about it that I like. Although Godot 4 cannot come soon enough. This is the level I was stuck on. You were stuck on level 20? It bounced not the way you wanted it to. Yeah, that is how it works. Exclamation for hint. Okay. Confusion is the word. You have your own commercial games now. Max, I'm working on it. I am working on making Laser Bounce an app. This is what we have so far. My phone has 2 screens. All right, here. Just make it less weird. There. Okay, now my phone has 1 screen. We've successfully implemented the banner ad, and it was harder than you think. So, notice this black bar right here. The ad doesn't just push down everything. It's over top of the app. So what I had to do was manually push down everything, which is not easy. It wasn't that hard. It was hard to get it perfect because the banner ads can actually be different sizes. And since my app stretches to fit, or I guess expands to fit the phone screen, the height of the banner ad wasn't actually the height of the banner ad. It's weird. Don't worry about it. I figured it out. Well, my testing wasn't extensive. I have 2 phones, my old phone and this phone, and it works for them. So, and by works, I mean the banner ad doesn't go over top of the actual app. So this black bar is fine. But anyway, what I want to implement now is pressing a button, watching an ad, and then getting a hint. That's what I want. I want a hint button with a number, and when you click the hint button, the number goes down. When the hints are at 0 and you click the hint button, it says, watch an ad to get a hint, something like that. Is it a tower defense game? No, it's a laser puzzle game. Yeah. Let me just go to level 1 and show you. There are sounds. I'm just gonna play it on my phone, I guess. You can see my touches. So there are sounds. The text boxes in there are squished, and I don't know why. But so drag and drop pieces to move them. Then press play. So you've won. It doesn't say like victory or anything. I haven't decided what to put yet, if anything. I want to make the continue button bigger or something. Right now it's a little lackluster. And also I'm fully aware that the camera being starting, like when the level starts, the camera is zoomed in, and that's really bad. But anyway, let's keep going. Some pieces can't be dragged, like this one. So if we could drag this one, the laser would just shine right through. But so what we have to do is that. Tap pieces to rotate them. So these pieces can't be dragged, but they can be rotated. And if I place it close enough here, you know what? Here. So you're hearing what my phone sound is doing. Some pieces can be dragged and rotated. So you see there's the rotation base and the drag base. So you can do both. Tap to rotate, drag to drag. Drag to drag, no kidding. All right, and that's the last of the tutorial levels I've made. I've deliberately not made very many levels yet because I want to get the game completely done before making levels. Because like if I make 30 levels and then for some reason I have to go back and change something. I know in Godot, a lot of the times it all just updates at the same time, but if I have to change something that can't be updated all at once, it's going to be very, very annoying. So I've made these levels, and then this was a test level testing this mechanic. That's intended. That's an intended interaction. So what's happening is the blue laser is activating the activator, which opens the door, which lets the red laser shine through the door. And then when the red laser shines on the activator, it deactivates because it's the wrong color, shutting the door. And that's what you see there. A better example of activators would be level 20. So there's gate activators where you shine the laser through them. And then, so white lasers activate any color, but then colored lasers can only activate the respective color. See? So I'm just going to solve this level. I've solved this level so many times. The level 20 is like the level I demo with. So that's the solution. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of the game I'm making. I've already made it in Dreams. If it's going to be free, I'll definitely check it out. It will be free, and then you can purchase. You can pay like $2 to get rid of ads, or $3 or something. Hot stud alert. Because everyone who plays this is a hot stud. True. Hey Alpha, where is B, sir? I have no idea. My arch nemesis. Well, there's the solution, Kill. But yeah, anyway. We're on a mission to finish the entire app except the levels. Oh, and Max, okay, yeah, you've been following since March. You might have seen Laser Bounce on Dreams. But if you haven't, this game is already made on Dreams. Definitely check it out if you want. What's up, Duck? You did something interesting in Dreams today. It's a cup that gets filled up when you put it under a liquid dispenser. Nice. Lots of flex involved, I bet. How would you do that? I'm curious. So is this cup, is this in VR? I know you were messing with VR. Studonomics. Okay, anyway. Well, yeah, we were going to work on the icon first. So they're going with light bulb. And obviously I don't have to copy. I'm just looking for inspiration. I like this. I like the magnifying glass. I'm not going to lie. I think it's super clean. And it's like, what else could it mean? Search? Like, that doesn't make sense. I like the magnifying glass. Hey, Joe, what's up? God, Mernin, Kill. What does that mean? Yes, it's the VR game. Nice. So, sliders, but in-game how? Sliders, but in-game how? What does that mean? 3 a.m. in New York. It's 9 p.m. right now. You're AK away from requesting a Sunday game. Nice. Put a question mark in a magnifying glass. Wait, oh, you're not joking. Maybe. Wait, maybe you're joking. I think I just like the magnifying glass, honestly. I do need a reset button, too. We'll see. Okay, oh, but Duck, when you tilt the glass, does the liquid tilt? Kill, it's 9 p.m., my dude. It's not 3. Are you okay? All right, I'm going. Oh, here we go. Ooh, tip hint icon. These are what people are searching. Tip icon. Interesting. That's tip, though. I want hint. Okay, looks like there's a lot of light bulbs. This is interesting. I don't like that. That's all right, but I don't think. I think I want to go with magnifying glass. It's interesting how there are no magnifying glasses here. Should I go with light bulb? And whatever I find, I'm gonna make it myself. But I just want inspiration. Okay, these are just random. How do I play this game, Acer? It's on Dreams, so if you want to search Laser Bounce on Dreams, you can play it. But otherwise, you're just gonna have to wait for me to publish it on the Play Store. I know, right? Just the word hint. But no, all right, I need to decide on something. I'm gonna go with magnifying glass. All right, I don't remember the size of my icons, so let's find one. Oh, here they are. I want to make it the same size as my play button, so we're gonna start with the play button. We are going to create a new file though, 100 by 100, nice. All right, so it looks like for my play button, I have a shadow. Interesting. Yeah, okay. So that's good to know. For the magnifying glass, I'm going to, I mean, it's not difficult to make this. I'm just going to do a circle with another line. Maybe a little bit thinner. Okay. And now a line. Make sure this is curved. I mean that, yeah. Maybe we make it thicker though. Let's try. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. It looks kind of weird. Ah, that does look better. That does look better. The handle should be slightly thicker than the rim. Okay. Excuse me. All right, nice. Okay, now we want to copy and paste this and make this layer white. So we're going to invert the colors and put that shadow there. There we go. So there's our icon. Very nice. Let's save this as hint PNG. F razor. Yeah, I sneezed. I know, I'm making art. I know, it is terrifying. Okay. All right, we want level UI. And so let's go back to the app. Where do we put this hint button? We could just put it on the other side. We could put it under the play button. I think on the other side makes the most sense, though. Now, is this going to work is the real question. I think it just failed. Oh, it worked that time. Okay. So what are you guys thinking? Probably just here, maybe top left. The problem with the top left is the add. So maybe here, maybe here. I don't know. Paint.net is cool and it's free, but there's probably some better programs. Yeah, it's good for newbie artists. Yeah, that's why I use Paint.net. I don't know. I know it pretty well. It does what it needs. It does what I need it to do. Is what I was trying to say. You should have it in the tutorial to make sure people know what the icon means. I mean, I guess. Yeah, I'll have it in one of the tutorial levels. Basically, like any level is a tutorial level because I can just put one of these messages in there, right? Jay, what? Oh, a sensitivity slider? I mean, like this? What do you... Is that what you're talking about? Wait, are you asking about dreams or real life? You made all your modes on Paint.net? Nice. Same. Yeah, as that's a normal search icon. Yeah, no, I get that. I get that. That's fair. All right, let's put it top left. So how now? There's a question. How do we even put it top left? This okay. So this center container is in the middle of the screen, right? Because the anchor is 0.5.5. It's in the middle of the screen. We want. I'm gonna say we want another center container, obviously with none of this stuff. We'll add our own button. Well, I mean, let's just add it right now, right? And we want it to be the hint icon that we just made. Very nice. And let's put this center container. Here we go. So we want it to be anchored. Probably 0.2. And then the bottom, wouldn't the bottom be like 0.8 or something? But now it's not moving. Oh, I think I accidentally undid it. Whoops. All right. Let's just see where this appears. Let's just see where this pops up. Okay, so that didn't work. And also, the icon is not good. Did I scale this? I did. Oh, well, now it's really small. That looks better. Oh my god. I scaled up the center container, then I scaled down the buttons. Okay, that's so weird. Whatever. Ah, there we go. Okay. So let's see where this pops up. The margin was messing it up. That's weird. Where is it? Oh, it's off the screen. Okay, so we want the left anchor to be 0. And the right anchor doesn't matter. What if we make the right anchor 0 as well? I don't think that matters. Let's try this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that is appearing in the top left. And then, yep, see, so there you see the 0.2 taking effect. So notice how it's not in the very top left. I think that works pretty well, but if there's an ad there, it's going to get covered up. So how do we deal with that? I mean, we have it 0.2. Oh, there. There was margin. Okay, let's try now. There we go. There we go. Okay, the margin was messing it up. Perfect. Okay, so ad or no ad, that should look pretty good. Let's put it to my phone and just see. Should we do more work before we put it to the phone? Let's do a little more work. So this is center container 2. That doesn't really matter. What else do we want in this? What else do we want? Can I just move that freely? Yeah, that's cool. I want a label. And this label... Oh, I guess we can't. Well, why can't I move this? That's weird. Oh. Okay. Why is it doing that? That's so weird. Wait a second. What is happening? Why is my... Okay. Hint count. I just want to see what happens. Let's also set a font. Where are my fonts? Oh my god. I'm just gonna make it really big. Yeah, okay, for some reason it gets shoved down there. That's weird. And I can't move it because it's a center container. I guess I don't care. It doesn't need to be a center container. In fact, I mean, I guess it should be a container. Let's make it... Oh. Interesting. And does it get reset? Oh, okay. That was the issue. That's fine. So I understand why that was happening. It was just because the size of the center container was weird. I fixed it, and now the words are going where they should. But the real question is, should that even be a center container? I'm going to say no. I think it should be a H-box. Checkbox. So an H-box lets us put things in a, like, lined up left to right. How do you make a slider in Dreams? Are you just asking how to make a slider in Dreams? Jay, are you drunk or something? You never read the answer to the questions you ask me? Sorry. When I'm focused, it's tough. I'm scrolling up. Oh, hey, Liam. Sex dungeon, what? Oh my god, I missed it. You guys are... Okay, I did miss 5 minutes worth of chat. That's my bad. Duck, I don't see your message. I'm not gonna lie. All I see is you never read the answers to the questions you ask me. Oh, here we go. Oh no, magnifying glass is confusing. It looks like a search icon. Yeah, you're searching for a hint. You're searching for the position of a piece. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Duck, I don't see your message. I just see Jay spamming about sliders. All right. Let's say we have 3. Oops. And there we go. Why is this not... Oh, I know why. So now we put the button within a center container like this. That's still not working. What the hell? Oh, because the center container needs to be the size of 100. There we go. And now, why is that? Oh, min-size 100, sorry. There we go. Okay, and now the number is finally to the right of the hint thing. And if we want to move it, we can just do whatever, but we don't. Why is this so wide? I don't know. Let's make it smaller. I guess we can just reset it. Okay. Cool. And now we have a number of hints. Oh, wow. All right. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Okay. Why does that happen? Is it getting, like... What? I don't... Okay, maybe we need to set the min size. Let's set them to 200. Let's set the min size to 200. Will that do it? Probably not, is my guess. What the fuck? I am so confused right now. What is going on? I have a label. Maybe I shouldn't do a center container. Should I? Okay, what if I just do this? I don't think this shouldn't work. I don't think this will work. Yeah, I didn't think so. Why does it move down like that? I'm so confused. What the hell? Does anyone have any idea what's going on? Needs Casey's robot for this chat. You asked me if the glass can tilt with the liquid. I said no, but the robot hand that grabs the glass doesn't tilt. Okay, that's good. All right, there you go. Yeah, the tilting would be kind of annoying. Yeah, I have the H-box, Swarm. I know it's named center container, but it's an H-box here. That's a little confusing, isn't it? Let's try again. The Godot expert is here. Swarm has been taking a lot of Godot tutorials, which is cool. So within this, I need some sort of container. I guess we just do this, actually, just control. It doesn't really matter. That holds this. And, oh, wait a second. Is this anchored? Wait, this doesn't even have an anchor. Never mind. Okay, so this is looking better. Let's just see if it works like this. Y control is a main UI node. Y rename. Yeah, I didn't rename. It was a center container, and then I changed the type to control. Okay, that's working better. I don't know what I did wrong, but it's fine. So let's well, why is this H box so small? Why wouldn't this H box expand to the entire thing? I find that very weird, but okay. Let's put that there. Ah, that's why. So this control needs a min size of 200 by 200. There we go. Okay, we're back in business. This font size. Why is this so small? Is it scaled? No, that's weird, but okay. Can I make it like? Well, hold on. Let's make it unique, I guess. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Okay, now back to what I was doing. We want the anchor of the top to be 0.2. And that didn't do anything. But that's fine, it should. There we go, okay. And that is much better. All right, so we have the hint, and we have the play button. Is 0.2 too much? I think it is. Let's try 0.12. How about that? Swarm, I think I do, because the touchscreen button is not a control. So I'm putting the touchscreen button in the control node. All right, this is exactly what I wanted. So it's looking pretty good. The font's looking a little weird, though, and I don't know why. Huh. It's like looking really jagged when it shouldn't, in my opinion. Maybe it's not a big deal. Oh, all the fonts are looking weird. What the heck? That's new. Did something happen? Why does all the text look weird? Okay, let's push it to my phone and see what it looks like. Layout button on top would have the options you're looking for. Layout. I've been using the touchscreen button because I like how the icon goes into it neatly. Oh, the layout button, that's what you meant. Okay, I see. Okay, Swarm, I'm using the control node, so I'm putting the touchscreen button in the control node. If I don't do that, I mean, I can see... Maybe I don't need it. I mean, now my HBox doesn't work because the touchscreen button isn't working in the HBox, so... Like, do you see what I mean now? There is other options than the main control node. I mean, I don't think it matters, though. I just needed a control node, and then I set its size. Okay, so Jay, you're trying to make a slider. Have you searched on Dreams for a slider? Did you search for one? Because I feel like you'd be able to find it. Okay, that's really weird. So on my phone, the text looks really good. It looks good, I think. Here, I'll show you guys. You have not. Why haven't you? It would be like calling the whole top class for a single function when there is nodes that have functions that are lighter. You think the control the nodes under the control node are lighter? I guess. Yeah, sure. All right, there you go. So there are my hints. This looks really good. And notice how the ad doesn't overlap it. That's perfect. That's really nice. And then what I can do is change its location if I don't have ads. I can just put it in the very top left. But for now, this is good. Cool. And it's a button which I'll be able to press. Implementing the hint system is going to be kind of annoying. But everything green in here. Right. Yeah, I like this. It looks good. I like its location. So let's change the type of this to... I mean, the center container was being weird, right? Should we just make it a panel container? Well, now there's a panel. Maybe we do just make it center container. I'm scared of using the center container though, because the last time I used it, the 3 went all the way down. Okay, so it's actually working. All right. I don't know why it was doing that earlier, but it's working now, so that's good. Perfect. Right? Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Swarm is happy. Yes, I know what the center container does. But I don't know. I had this exact setup and it was being funky, but it's fine. Okay, cool. So now what? When I press this hint button, I want this number to go down. I'll implement the hint thing later. I'm not actually going to do that right now. Really, there's not one. Okay, what you want to do is put a cylinder sculpt, place a cube sculpt down, place a cylinder sculpt down, attach a piston from the cube to the cylinder. Make that piston extend a certain length. and that is your slider. Does that make sense? Well, don't use a piston, use a slider. I mean, there's a literal slider thing in Dreams. And then you can make it grabbable by the imp. You can do other stuff. It's a connector, dude. It's a connector. It's called a slider, which is ironic because you've been asking about sliders. All right, here we go. Let's rename this to be hint button, hint. And this is button. And this can be called hint count. Okay, I like that. Hint, then container, button, count. I think we should put the logic in here. Maybe. I don't see why not. So we'll put it in the scripts folder. Just putting all my scripts here. Okay. So what are we doing? When the hint button is pressed, so signal pressed, we're going to connect that to the hint script. When the hint button is pressed, let's have a variable called hint count. Start you off at 5. On ready, we're going to maybe 0 and then export var starting hints equals 5, something like that. And then on ready, what should this be? We know it's fine. On ready, hint count equals starting hints. That's fine. And what we also want to do is set, let's have a on ready var count label, which is get node. And then we want this. That's super annoying. Okay, get node count. So in addition to setting the hint count, we want to set the count label equal to the hint count. Now, I feel like I should make a function to do this. So let's do function change hints. How about that? Or maybe instead of that, shouldn't the count label just automatically update itself when the hints change? When the hints variable changes? Or maybe I just run a script that constantly checks what the hint variable is. Or rather, what the hint count is. There's a lot of ways to do this. I think I kind of like that solution because I never have to deal with changing it again. It will just always update. I like that. It might be a little more expensive, but it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, I can do the $ thing. Oh, that's count label equals that's not that code is not right at all. I was kind of off in my own world right there. I don't know what I don't know. It's fine. I'm thinking I put a script here. It just makes everything simpler. I'm going to make it built in. And literally all it's going to do is this. So on ready hint, on ready var hint equals this. And all it's going to do is text equals hint dot hint count. And it needs to be a string, of course. And that's all. That's all it's going to do. I'm hoping this isn't too expensive. What did I do wrong? In parent class. I guess I can't use this. Can I do that? Okay, fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. So that's fine. And that's all this does, right? It just constantly updates the text. Because that's all it needs to do. And I think that makes sense. So now I never have to change it in here, ever. Ever, yeah. I never have to do that. All I do is change hint count, and then count will automatically change. And let's see if it works. So on button pressed, hint count equals minus equals 1. Yeah, the link. I don't think I have a syntax error. Yeah, see, it's working. Negative hints. Wonderful. Okay, I'd say the next thing is stopping it at 0, and yeah, I mean, let's just do that. So hint count -1, hint count equals clamp. Hint count -1 minus equals. Yeah, I think I have to do this in a separate line. It would be cool if I could do it in the same line. Yeah, Swarm, I'm pretty sure I don't have a syntax error. It wouldn't have let me run it. What are you talking about, dude? I don't think I have one. It would not have let me run the program at all, right? Yeah, it wouldn't let me run the program at all, even though it never got here. Where is it? If you think I have one, where is it? Hint count equals clamp, and then we're clamping hint count from 0 to. I don't really care. I mean, how many hints can you possibly have, right? 100,000. That's fine. That doesn't matter. That only happens when I try to update the game when it's running. Might be gone now. Yeah, I think it is too. Okay, so now it's clamped. I'm pressing it and it doesn't change. Now, the icon looks a little low res. And that's because I'm scaling it up. I probably should just make a higher resolution icon. I can worry about that later. So we're pressing our button and the hints go down. Now what? I want to show an ad. I kind of want to show an ad. When we're at 0. So we're not going to clamp it. We're going to do this. If you've pressed the button and hint count equals 0, what are we going to do? We're going to do something. Let's just show the ad. Let's just try it. Settings dot, isn't it just show add interstitial? Let's try it. I've never tried this before. And then return. So if you're not 0, you just -1. Obviously, we'll show the hint, but for now, let's try this. Wait, I think this is going to crash because This might crash. I don't know. Oh, no. Okay, it doesn't crash, but it doesn't work because we're not on Android. So let's put it to our phone and see what happens. Because obviously, like, my computer screen is, or my computer isn't an Android emulator, so I can't like show Android ads on it. None of the Android code works. It works on my phone though. Part of me kind of wants to buy Watch Dogs Legion. Just buy it. Who cares? Try it out. Is it that simple to add ads on Godot? No, no. Yeah, yesterday I went through it. So if we go to settings, there's all this stuff, and which isn't that bad. The main thing is you have to add in this. You have to add the custom packages, okay? And then the other thing is you have to add this module. You have to add a module. And if you've done all that, then the ads, then it is that easy, yes. So let me share my phone screen. Of course, the app shuts down when I share it. That's fine, though. All right, I should get an interstitial ad once it goes to 0. I don't think it'll work, but... Oh my god, it worked! I like keeping my bar low. Hell yeah. Sick. All right. Okay, so unfortunately, that's not what I want. I want a rewarded ad. So this rewarded ad will give me something. Or maybe this is what I want. Because typically a rewarded ad would give me currency. What I'm getting is hints. So I'm thinking I just do that. Now, can I force it to be a 30-second ad? I don't know. Let's go to my ad mob thing and see what's going on. Oh, that's good. Yeah, well, the thing is, you're not actually removing the hint ads. So even if you buy the full version, you'll still need to watch ads to get hints. But in the full version, you'll get free hints every day or something like that. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, but it's for a hint. Maybe it's for like 3 hints. Yeah, you don't just get free hints. But let's see. So I'm gonna sign in speedy quick. Oh, it auto signed me in. All right. Oh, I have notifications. What? All right, give me a second. Give me a second. I have no idea what's going on. Okay. Is that it? Am I... What's my advertising ID? Navigate to settings, click Google, then click ads. Not sure if I want to show this or not. Or rather, I don't know if it would be bad if I showed it, I guess is what I mean. Okay, settings, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, that's not what I meant. Ads. Here we go, advertising ID. That's annoying, but okay. I will slowly type this very long thing in. My other phone activated it too. Wow. Oh, Lord. Hey, Commitail, what's up? This is really annoying. All right. Wow. Okay. So now I can safely test ads because they don't want me watching my own ads, right? Because that's illegal. They can't take both upper and lowercase letters now. Nice. Sounds like AIDS. Well, it's my job to make it not AIDS, right? All right. Okay, back to AdMob anyway. Okay, I should not be making any money yet. If I was, that would be an issue since my app is not released at all. Let's go to apps, laser bounce. I should have 2 ads. Where are my ads? Ad units. Banner, interstitial. Okay, wonderful. Ad unit level no cap, app level no cap. Let's edit this maybe? Okay, what is this? Video, text. So I can force it to be a video ad. Let's do that. Let's force it to be a video ad. Okay, so let's try it now. So it is now forced to be a video ad. Will it be a video ad? I don't know. Let's find out. Yeah. Wait. I'm actually not sure. It also changed my screen orientation, which is annoying. Okay, no, it's not. But I mean, okay, I have to assume it would be a video ad if this was not a test. Okay. Do I get paid for watching my own ads? No. And if I am like abusing the system and watching my own ads, that is, I will get in a lot of trouble. These are test ads. You can see it says test ad. So yeah. You could sell hints like most apps that ask you. Yeah, that can ask you for buying coins. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I think I will. I think I'll sell like. I think I will sell hints, but I don't know. Maybe like a pack, like 10 hints for $1, 100 hints for $5, right? Something like that. I don't know. 10 hints for maybe like 10 hints for $1, 100 hints for $3. That's a good deal. Something like that. What if Natalie kept playing and then watching ads? That'd be completely fine. Have ads for 30 seconds of play period. See, Swarm, we thought about that. And we decided that it wasn't a good idea. I wasn't going to have the banner ad. And I was going to play an ad like every 10 minutes in between levels. But we decided not to do that because nobody likes that. So instead, you get an ad for a hint. Okay. Wonderful. Can I leave, please? Oh, there's the X. Okay. Right. So you have the banner ad that's constantly there, and then you can watch an ad to get a hint. Maybe there'll be a pop-up. Get a hint, watch an ad, get a hint, question mark. And then there'll be a button for 100 hints, pay this amount of money. And then, so what about removing ads though? Because like, if you pay to remove the ads, doesn't that mean you should pay? Doesn't that mean you should pay to remove the hint ads as well? If you pay to remove ads, shouldn't you just get unlimited hints? So maybe remove ads gives you unlimited hints, and it's like $5. And then for 100 hints, it's like $3 or $2 or something. $2.50. $2.50 for 100. No, that's too much though. That's too many hints. I don't know. We'll figure it out. You know, Google ads are targeted towards your buying habits. So they are, but the test ads are just completely random.
There's an entire ecosystem.
Oh, I got a video one.
And harmful bacteria in your gut can take over, robbing
true.
your body of the essential nutrients it needs by consuming those nutrients that your body would normally absorb, just like weeds in a garden.
Yeah, remove ads. See, that's what I'm thinking. So, I agree. Yeah, I agree. So, remove ads. It'll say, like, do you want to remove ads? You'll get no more ads, unlimited hints for $4.99 or $5.99 or something. And then maybe you can buy 25 hints for $1, something like that. 25, that feels like a lot though. It's a lot of hints. But it's $1. So like, I don't know. And then 1 hint for watching an ad. As long as the ad isn't skippable. Like, I don't want you to be able to just like add. Oh, maybe there's a cooldown. Maybe you can only do it like 3 times per day. Yeah, unlimited hints. I mean, if you buy the full version of the app, you should have unlimited hints, in my opinion. And buying the full version of the app means you remove ads. And give them like a spit. I don't think I'm going to have currency in this game. I don't think I'm going to have currency. What I do want to have is like, you can buy different lasers, like different laser effects and different laser sounds. I think that would be cool. And then maybe different backgrounds too. Okay, anyway, it worked, so let's keep going. Can we try... Okay, let's try adding a rewarded ad. See what happens. Enter reward amount. 1. Enter reward item. Hint. Okay. This is what I want. This is the unskippable shit. This is what I want. Or something, you know what I mean. I don't know what this is. Adds an additional layer of validation when your user finishes viewing a video ad, in addition to standard clients and comics, post-action. That's fine. If people are hacking my app just to get hints, they can have the hints. They can have the hints. Yes, I completely agree. I 100% agree. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's completing level sets. That's what I'll do. Themes. I call them themes. I don't know what I should call them, but I don't want to give you hints every level you complete. I feel like that. Well, maybe I should. No. You complete themes. So every theme you complete, you get some hints. Yeah, every X levels. That's what I'm. Yeah. You can hack on Apple, dude. I don't know, but so this kind of stuff is like, it's for games with more serious rewards. But my reward is just very simple. Okay. Let's see. Complete the instructions in the Google Mobile SDK using this app ID. Follow the rewarded implementation guide to integrate the SDK. Let me go to this guy and see what he says to do. So here we go. There it is. Or no. There it is. Load rewarded. Show rewarded. On rewarded video ad. Left application. Callback for rewarded video ad. Well, I don't know what that means. Callback for rewarded video ad closed. Sorry, I hit the mic. Left application, as in like they clicked it. It means they click the ad, which is fine, I think. Callback for rewarded video ad closed. Callback for rewarded video ad failed to load. Okay. Callback for rewarded video ad loaded. Callback for rewarded video ad opened. Callback for rewarded video ad reward user. On rewarded, we have the currency and we have the amount. And notice how I put that. Okay, we're just gonna do this one though. To integrate the SDK. I have no idea which one I do, so I'm just gonna do this top one. Maybe I should do the bottom one. I don't know. Okay, the other ones have dashes. I'm just going to do this one. This one makes more sense to me. Okay. Yeah, Jay. So, as I said, when we click this, the reward is 1 hint. It's a hint and you get 1. Okay. Where am I storing how many hints the player has? Currently, I'm storing it here. I don't like that. Let's store it in settings. Let's store it in settings. So now, settings.hintCount. And then we just need to do that everywhere. Because this is going to be saved. This is something that needs to be saved. Okay, so settings. Let's get some of those functions. What? Oh. There you go. Perfect. Oh. Okay, so pressing it didn't work anymore. This didn't work. Oh! It didn't work because I'm not on my phone. No shit. Okay. My bad. It needs to be on my phone, then it'll work. It doesn't work on the computer. Okay. Let's keep going, though. So we have a bunch of this stuff. Load rewarded video. Show reward. So this is what we want. Show rewarded video. And we want to put that here. Instead, so here. Show rewarded video. Right? Settings dot wait. Yeah. No, wait a second. It would be add mob. It would be settings dot add mob dot show rewarded video. That should not work yet because what we need to do is this. We need to do some of this shit. So load. We need to load it, right? We need to load it. So addmob dot load rewarded video, and the ID is this. And let's try it. Let's try it. Yeah, the big difference with rewarded versus interstitial is the rewarded ones are like longer ones, I think. Okay, I forgot to connect my phone. It's fine though.
There's an entire ecosystem going on in your gut.
Oh, look. Reward in, look. Reward in 25 seconds. Look at that. So, you can exit it. Skip video, you will lose reward. This is awesome. Resume. Oh, this is so good. Yes. It worked. Okay. Now it gets interesting. So we want, check this out. This is really cool. So here we go. Show rewarded video. We already did that. On rewarded video, add left application. On rewarded video, add closed. We don't care about any of this. I don't believe we care about any of this. What we care about, failed the load. I mean, this is unfortunate. This we kind of care about. Okay, let's handle this first. We only have one, in this app, we only have one rewarded video. But what if we didn't? What if we had multiple different rewarded videos for different rewards? I guess it doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is, let's handle this first. We want to basically say... we want to say so, like this is probably because they don't have internet or something. Do we even? All right, let's just pass, and then say to do show some sort of error, saying they only get the hint if they watch the ad. Okay. What's next? On rewarded video ad loaded. So maybe you'd like pause the game or something. That is not, it doesn't need the pause in my, for my, well, not loaded, by the way, it opened. So how about actually we should do something for opened. Funk unrewarded ad opened. So if you open if the ad is opened, we do want the game to pause. How do we do that? What's the easiest way to do that? Can we go global and then set playing to false? Would that work? I feel like it wouldn't. Where's the, what about level? Here we go. This is, there's no like good way to call to like, I feel like this should be in global. Oh, this stuff should be in global, shouldn't it? Because, yeah, You know what? I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I don't think it's that big of a deal to have the game running while the ad plays. I don't think it's, for other games, I think it would matter, but for this, for right now at least, it's not a big deal. Right, so let's go back to settings, and let's just pass and maybe say to do stops all game sounds, right? Something like that. Stops all game sounds. And puts you into edit mode. Okay. And finally, the important part. On rewarded. We have the currency and the amount. So if currency is equal to hint, right? Is that what I have it at? Hint, capital H, yep. If currency equals hint count plus equals amount. And that's it. That's it. Let's try it. Let me try linking my phone first and then starting the app. Yeah, that's what I need to do. All right, so once we get to 0 hints, ready? So when we press the button one more time, it'll play the ad. Okay. If I try to exit, skip video, you'll lose a reward. Let's skip and see what happens. Still at 0. Let's do it again. Uh-oh. So now it's just not working. That's weird. So I skipped the video and now it's not working. That's unfortunate. What the hell? Okay, can I... Well, that's not what I want. Maybe I have to load another one. I don't know. That's weird. I didn't expect that to happen. Did the app crash? The app might have crashed. I don't know. Let's try it again. It's the same ad. So let's just watch the whole thing and see what happens. Reward in 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds. This is cool. Okay, and now we press the X. And look, we have a hint now. Look at that. We have a hint. We can spend the hint. Okay, so it... Huh. It's like it only works once. That's weird. That's super weird. That's really, really weird. I didn't expect it. I guess it works differently from the interstitial. What is this? Oh, maybe this first one. You know what? I think this first one is the ad mob ID somehow. Wait, maybe not. I don't know what I'm saying. Never mind. That didn't make sense. Anyway, maybe every time it's closed, we need to reload it? So on closed, on left application. Did I even do that? What do we want to do? We want to load another one, I guess. If you leave the application... Oh, unrewarded video ad left application. Let's just not... Let's pass on that one. Let's just do this one. So load rewarded video. So if you close the ad, you load another one. On rewarded, you get the hints, but I think this also gets called. Let's try this. Let's try this. So what I'm hoping is that I can play more than one in a row. That's smart. Okay, anyway, let's try it again. Oh my god. So we already know this works. Okay. We're gonna close it. Let's try it again. It worked! Yay, it's working! Now let's see what happens when we accept the reward. So closing it reloads it, which is good. Okay, see I have one hint now, so I'll use the hint. Yes, it works. Hell yeah. Oh wait, this isn't rewarded though. What the hell? That's weird. I don't even see an X. Oh, the X is up here. That was weird, but okay. Yeah, this one, like... the X button's hidden and there's no reward for it. That's super weird. Like, the X button's right here below, under this bar. But, like, I can't... there's nothing I can do about that. Now, let's see what happens when I leave the app. And then go back to the app. I don't like... that ad is kind of not good. Alright, here it is again. Can I just immediately... oh, look at that! Okay, it's a video. What the hell? But there's no progress. Okay, this ad is not okay. It's not really my fault though. I don't even know how long it lasts. Okay, it's probably over now. Huh, all right. Interesting. Yeah, but you know, it was a video ad. It just didn't have the timer on it. So that's interesting, but it's working, which is really hype. So I'm going to implement this fix as well for iOS. So basically what's happening is if for iOS only, the banner can't show at the same time as the reward video, but a fix for it is basically resizing the banner right before you show the rewarded video. Oh, it looks like it's already doing that. Or something, I'm not sure. But where do I reset it? Is that in global? Oh, right here. So I'm already doing that. I'm resizing it when the viewport rotates, but I also want to resize it when I do this. So right here. Okay. And then, oh yeah, that's fine. Perfect. All right. I didn't mean to do that. Crap. Sorry, I'm just reading stuff. This is interesting. Well, shit. I'm running 3.1.1. Huh. Okay, whatever. So what's next? We don't really have a system to like actually show hints yet. But we'll figure that out later. Let's do a pop-up. Let's make a pop-up. So when you press this button, oh, here, let me show you. Where do I put this pop-up? Let's just put it here. And there's just going to be a pop-up. Do we want accept dialogue, confirmation dialogue? Excuse me. File dialogue. Base dialogue for user notifications, accept dialogue. Let's try a window. Let's try a window dialogue. And yep, there it is. Oh, why doesn't it like it? Oh, the hide by default. Yep. Okay. We want this to be in the center of the screen. Center. Okay. And I think I messed it up. There we go. So now it's the center of the screen. We want the size to be, let's make it 300 by 300 for now. It's just arbitrary. And is that still the center? No, now it's the center. What do we want this to say? We want, well, wait, maybe. Okay, whatever. So we want it to say watch an ad to get a hint. And then yes and no. And then 2 buttons below it, buy 25 hints for $1. And then remove all ads and unlimited hints for $5.99, something like that. So that's what we want. Let's implement it really quick. Just make it super like simple, hacky. We want to have everything in a VBox. We're gonna have everything in a VBox. We want this VBox to basically take the entire space up. And in this VBox, we're gonna have multiple HBoxes. Obviously, well, maybe not obviously, but the first one is not going to be an HBox. This first one is just gonna be watch an ad to get a hint. Let's go to our fonts. I'm just going to do 30. That's an issue. Can we wrap this? Thank you. And yep, there we go. Watch an ad to get a hint. Via line. Top is, oh, that's align. Center, please. And via line top is fine. Watch an ad to get a hint. And now we're going to add 2 buttons. So we're going to add an HBox. That's not an HBox. That's an HBox. That's not an HBox. That's a checkbox. How stupid is it that when I type HBox, checkbox comes up? It's fine. Okay, we want an HBox, and in this HBox, we want 2 buttons. We could do touchscreen. We're just going to do buttons. So button 1 is yes. Button 2 is no. Button yes. Button no. Now maybe I make this a touchscreen button, but this is fine for now. Button yes, button no. HBox needs to have the alignment in the center, and we want the separation to be more. Wonderful. Button yes. How about okay and never mind? No thanks. How about that? No thanks. Okay. Can we make these bigger? Can we make these bigger? I think we can. The min X, I'd like to keep the width the same, actually. What about 100? They both changed. That was weird. Oh, no, that's not true. 100 by 20? 30? 30. I like that. Because they're touchscreen, right? Yeah, let's make it 50. Okay. I could make it flat. I'm not going to style it yet. I just want to get the functionality working. So let's go to here. It's 100 by 50. Awesome. The separation's too much now. Okay. And let's do this separation a little bit more. Nice. Watch an ad to get a hint. Okay. No thanks. Maybe we make this button red, maybe, or green and the other one red. Doesn't matter right now. What's next? We need other stuff. So maybe a button. So let's just add a button. And this button will have a margin. Or wait, can I just get, wait a second. It's taking the entire width. Maybe I do want to put this in an H box first. I most likely do. So let's just do it. Center the H box. Wonderful. This is going to say buy 25 hints for $1. $25's a lot, isn't it? Is it? We can always change it. And I would like to make this... I want to make this shorter. I want to make this one shorter. So maybe 75. That, whoa, wait, no, 25. 35. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Buy 25 hints, and then we want the remove all ads button as well. Now, I already have an icon for that. But we'll see. I should have just duplicated it. It's fine, though. Let's add an icon. Wait, where is it? Oh, there it is. Wowzers. Okay. I have another idea. I'm not going to use the same icon. It's going to be a different one. So what I'm going to do is unlimited hints. $5.99. And can we make this button the same size? I don't remember. 200 by 35. Okay. And when you press this button, it will bring you to another tab, which says like, buy the full version, unlimited hints, no ads, my eternal gratitude, something stupid like that, but probably not that. But yeah, that's the idea. Anyway, can we make this center now? Perfect. And I mean, this is probably too small. The cool thing is we can just scale this up as big as we want, right? Yeah, and it scales everything, which is wonderful. Although it might not be wonderful. We'll see. So watch an ad to get a hint. Okay, so this button will now pop this up instead. We want, so hint pop up is what this is going to be called. It's yelling at me because it always starts invisible even though I have it visible. And let's go to hint. So on button pressed. This, I don't, yeah, on, that's not, on button press, sure. We want to have this. It's going to be called hint pop up. And we're going to call it, well, let's see what we need to call it. Okay. Hint pop up. On button pressed, we want hint pop up dot pop up. I don't know why it's having me fill out other stuff. So hint pop up, pop up. Now what? We have a bunch of buttons. So this is button yes, button no. This is button. Let's just name it yes. Button yes is fine. Button yes, button no, and then this is going to be button 25, and this is going to be button full version. Okay. $5.99 might be too much, but I don't really care. So, you know. I think 25 hints is too much. Well, I guess it depends on how many levels I have. If I have like hundreds of levels that are difficult. Okay, anyway, let's go back to this pop-up. There's some settings. So resizable, definitely not. Window title, I don't want there to be a title bar at all. Exclusive, yes. Maybe it's in custom. Close HOFs? HOFs? Scale, border size, title, height. I want to get rid of this bar. I don't know. I'm sure there's a way. Okay, anyway. When button yes is pressed, let's connect it to hint, right? I guess we can just put it all through hint. So button yes is pressed, then we do this stuff. On button, yes. Yeah. Wait. Wait. On button pressed, you shouldn't do the pop-up unless it's 0. So, hold on. So if it equals 0, do the pop-up, then return. Otherwise, run the hint. But right now it would, so let's just do function give hint. That's all it does. It doesn't do anything right now, but we have the function. Okay. On button, yes. So on, this is the hint button pressed. It gives the hint, or it puts the pop-up up. On button, yes pressed, it shows your... It shows the rewarded video. Okay. Let's do this. On button no. So if you press no, we're just gonna connect everything through hint. And so yeah, on button no. So hint pop up hide? Hint pop up dot hide. Which basically closes it. And then the other buttons, I'm just not going to do anything because I don't have microtransactions implemented yet. I mean, let's just try it. Okay. You can, yeah. So okay, and it crashes. Non-existent function resize in base nil. Sure. So, right. So if settings.addMob exists, we do this stuff. We don't really need that return function, do we? Let's try it again. Oh, you know what? I'm now realizing pressing the OK button doesn't actually hide it. That's funny. It needs to. And by the way, we should not be getting a hint when we press yes. We should not be getting a hint. We only get the hint. See? We only get the hint if we watch the video, but we can only watch the video if we're on Android. So there you go. Like right now? I know. All right. Okay. So really quick, let's try to get rid of the bar at the top. I wonder if we can just change this type. We did window dialog. Can we just do pop-up? Oh, there. That's better. Yeah, that's so much better. Okay. And now... Yeah, and now we can add our own panel. And we can just make it expand the entire thing for it. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Custom style panel. We want a new flat box. Again, we can style this whenever we want, like however we want, but this is fine for now. We're just gonna go super normal. Or super simple, rather. Maybe 10. Okay. Yeah, it wants to be hidden. We need to cancel everything. We shouldn't be able to move the camera when the pop-up is here. This is canceled, but the camera moving stuff isn't. What about the game? Oh, the game doesn't work either. Okay, it's only the camera and the zoom. It's interesting. I wonder what we can do about that. I think I have an idea. What if we made this pop-up full rec and then made this panel the actual pop-up, and then we make it center? I thought we made it center. Center, thank you. There you go. That was easy. So now the pop-up is the entire thing, which will block our clicks, I think. I hope. Damn it. Okay, that didn't work. Can we stop the mouse? It already is stopping. Damn. All right, well, it's fine. I'm going to put it back to how it was since it made more sense. And we just need a flag that says if pop-up is on, stop the camera from moving. It's not that hard to do. It's just annoying. Yeah, I mean, hey, Swarm, I'm glad you've been catching up on the streams, like the VODs. That's awesome. But now you're watching me live, which is even better. I say we check it on Android, and if it works, we end the stream, and if it doesn't work, we cry. So that's where I'm at. Can you disable states directly? What does that even mean? Are you asking about my app? Like, can I wait? What do you mean by that? Was Natalie just in a selector? Can you disable states? What do you mean disable? Like, so like make it so it skips over them? I know you use Dreams Help, and I'm trying to help. Are you like drunk or something? No. The short answer is no. Long answer is yes, but it's not ideal. It would be easier to make your own selector. A custom selector that was able to do it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Ready, guys? Are you ready for this? Use a hint. Use a hint. Use a hint, use a hint, use a hint. Bam. Oh, wow. Watch an ad to get a hint? Okay. It worked! Reward in 25 seconds. Hell to the yeah. So now, just watch an ad together. No crying today. This is a no crying zone. I'm watching an advertisement.
Oh, for mid-century furniture?
Wait, these are your ads. Maybe. Okay, so now the timer's run out if I press X.
Okay, see that's
See, I get a hint now. I get a hint. So now if I do it again, we get the pop-up, which is very, very small. If I do no thanks, it exits. If I do it again, okay. And we get the same ad. If we close the video, we do not get the reward. This is awesome. I didn't say it was easier. I said it was the only way. It's the only way to do it without delays. You can do it with delays. So like basically, Jay, you would it would take, if you're skipping over a state, it would take 1 frame to do. You basically, if the selector state is entered and it was supposed to be skipped over, it just goes to the next one. And it takes a frame to do that, which kind of sucks. All right, this is super hype though. We have a hint system with the add thing. One thing though, this is super small, way too small. Do we scale it based on screen size, or do we just make it like, I don't even know. Okay, I have an idea. I should be able to do it pretty quickly. So on pop-up, we should have a signal about to show connect, and we're going to connect it to itself. So about to show, we want the size. We want to scale this based on, see, this is kind of weird. We want to scale this based on the screen size. Unless, wait, what if we just did this? Can we make it like 0.2 everywhere? What happens when we do that? And then get rid of that. Should this be... Okay, so that works. Okay, that's interesting. But I don't know, it feels kind of weird. I just no, I don't like that. Let's just make it a hard-coded value for now. Yeah, I am. All right, we're just going to make it 650 by 650. I think that's the easiest. Oh, can't we just scale it up? Didn't I say I wanted to do that? Wouldn't that have been easier to just like scale it up? Because now it's fine. Let's just make sure this isn't too big. Yeah, that's good. All right, one last test. Hopefully this is more friendly for touchscreens. How do you make your own selector? Basically each chip is its own state. It's kind of annoying. It's really annoying, actually. Well, it depends. Okay, it depends. If you're making like, it completely depends on your function, but okay. Anyway, let's see if this works. It wouldn't be exclusive gates, no, because those don't loop. Those don't loop backwards. It's still freaking small. All right, I'm gonna have to figure this out, but. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay, yeah, that's... I'm gonna have to figure this out later. I think it has something to do with anchoring, though. So, like... So, like, if I did something like that, I wonder what would happen. Yeah, see, that's... I mean, it's not perfect, but it's definitely better than what was happening, which was falling off the screen. Wait, what does that look like on my phone? Does the watch and add to get a hint happen during gameplay if you take too long? No. It's if you click the hint icon with 0 hints. I'm getting off. Don't freak out, please.
I told you to get off 14 minutes ago, and you're still on. I really don't understand how it can be this hard. To say, good night, guys. I have to go.
All right.
Can you please just do it?
Yes.
Go to bed?
This is the last time I'm showing it. Okay, yeah, so this isn't ideal at all. But at least it doesn't get cut off. Damn it. Never mind. Okay, I think I know where that happens. I'll fix it later. It's not that big of a deal. Oh, wait. That's happening because it's not resizing. Okay, I'll figure it out later. I think it has something to do with the margin. Yeah. Okay. Last try. Absolute last try. But yeah, I'll be streaming tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna do this all week. I don't, my arm is starting to feel better, but it's not great yet. And if I start using a controller, I have a feeling it'll get worse. So I'm just gonna keep my hand up on my mouse. And I'm hoping my arm will feel better soon. And then we can do some more dreams. Probably either Claustre Factory or the Tower Defense game. Yeah. More Godot for me as well. But yeah, okay. I'm glad you enjoy it. That's better. What about this? Okay, I know what's happening. I know what's happening. But this I like this how it fits to the screen. All right. And then it needs to resize itself somehow. I don't know. That might just be my phone though. Whatever. All right. Yeah, it's good to see how game design is done outside of Dreams. I'm glad you enjoyed these streams and why we use Dreams. Yeah. I'm really glad you enjoy them. Oh, see, now it works. Okay. It does work. I am happy with this implementation.
There's an entire ecosystem going on in your gut.
This works very well. I'm very happy with this. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good night. You're already tired of my ads. Yeah. Well, don't use all the hints then. Yep, see you later.